Have you ever wondered or been thinking about what type of business or money making strategy you can start for under $100? Well, let's go into a few of the numerous money making strategies that you can start with a budget for under $100. Keep in mind that your success may be varied based on your skills, your effort, and the current market conditions. But let's consider some of the top ideas for making money for under $100. You can consider freelancing or consulting work if you have skills like writing, graphic design, programming, social media management, or other digital skills. You can offer your services on freelance platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. If you have knowledge in a particular subject, you can offer tutoring or online courses. You can use your tutoring services or create online courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. If you are artistic or crafty, you can make homemade crafts or art, such as jewelry, art, home decor, and sell them on platforms such as Etsy or at local craft fairs. If you like to start an online store, you could do a drop shipping or print-on-demand store, which you can use platforms like Shopify or Printful to sell products without even holding inventory. If you have an idea or something that you're passionate about, consider starting a YouTube channel or a blog or a podcast. Content creation, you can build an audience, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. If you have a passion for pets or animals in general, maybe consider a pet or house sitting service and market it to travelers who need somebody to look after their pets or stay at their house while they're away. If you like taking pictures, maybe consider something with photography. You can offer portrait sessions, event photography, or even sell pictures that you take on your own to stock photo websites. If you enjoy working with children, maybe consider a babysitting service or a nannying service. If you enjoy being outside, maybe consider a gardening or landscaping service where you could provide landscaping services to homeowners who need help with their outdoor spaces. This could be anywhere from mowing a yard or to building a retaining wall. If you like cars and keeping them clean and provide a lot of attention to detail, maybe consider a car detailing service to maybe service car owners in your area. If you have excellent administrative, social media, or customer support service skills, offer your services to businesses as a virtual assistant. If you pay attention to detail and like to keep your house clean, maybe offer your cleaning services for cleaning a house or cleaning nearby offices. This could be for individuals or businesses. If you like fitness or keeping in shape, use your knowledge about fitness to maybe start up something with personal training or fitness program. Tailor those workout plans specifically for your clients. If you currently speak more than one language and you're very proficient in another language, consider offering your services of language lessons to either individuals or small groups. If you're a very organized individual and like to help people with special events such as parties, weddings, and corporate gatherings, maybe consider event planning. Remember, regardless of what strategy you choose to make money, it's important to do your own research, create a plan, and provide high-quality service to your customers or clients. Over time, you can reinvest your earnings and expand your businesses and potentially earn more money. I hope these ideas helped you understand what you can do to make money using $100 or less to get started. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.